since we're in the area and there's nothing really going on over here, I want to go take a gander at the HVAC at the stadium.
The home point has been set. Please check it on the map.
Come over here to look at other things, but I've never actually looked at it. So I'm pretty sure I see some cooling towers over here. I'm imagining there's some mega big chillers in there somewhere. Oh, and here's where they roll out the lawn to grow it out in the sun. Do everything, and then it rolls it back inside. Wow, there's like no lines on it or nothing. But, you know, football season is over. So, a bunch of semi-trucks there. They do other, they use this for other purposes sometimes. So, earlier when I looked this way, I could see one of the fans running, so it must be cycled off. None of them are running here. I wonder if this is all they got. It's quite a few. Let's see, 6 fans. Imagine it's down but in the basement or something. Must be where they got the frickin' chillers. So I'll just kind of go around the perimeter here. Follow a little road. See if I see any other ones. And by the time I come back, maybe that one will be running again. More. Get a little more altitude. And the metal of that building doesn't do any favors. That's just a big fly.
What's that beef thing? Sure, it's not a bee.
It's a fly. It's looking for your food. It almost looks like a diamond. I don't know what that is, but let's see. They have cooling towers on both sides, or just those? I didn't see any others. I just went right by them.
I have a stupid question now. Does the football happen inside the stadium or outside?
You know what's inside. The grass wheels inside. Really slow conveyors. Yeah, it takes hours. I think
because there's grass outside and it looks like.
They got probably on VFDs here. Got a couple of them running. Those look like they've been there for a while. Probably the original one's still here. Got a nice little... each corner has a way to climb up on top. See, those are pretty big. Those are like climbing up on a house. It's to climb up on those. That fan's big. Some of those fans are like 6 foot, 8 foot, you know, bigger. Threw a Coke can into a couple of them where I used to work. Funny as hell. Threw an apple into it, swatted it like a freaking baseball. Check out those old video clips, guys. They're kind of fun back in the earlier YouTube days. But yep, so there's a big condenser water painted green, so it's going probably over to a chiller somewhere in the system, somewhere underneath the building. Yeah, only one fan running now. So it's got a little bit of load on the chiller just to cycle those fans a little bit. And old school type. We got all the oops, let me back up there. Let's see. Was it isolation? There's got to be isolation valve. So basically, when you work on these, if you want to shut down and clean one tower section, you got to get underneath down there and find the isolation valves and close it, and at the same time close off the spray above, you know, because if you isolate one, you'll drain out, you know, the sump you know, you could overfill, you could do all sorts of weird stuff, you know. So you kind of got to close them both off at the same time generally. Yeah. So these are either check valves or isolation valves down there. I'll be able to tell more post edit, but there will be isolation valves down there too. And then on top, sometimes there's valve actuators for which ones get water, and they could do that and put it on a VFD and then have equalizer tubes going between each tower to keep the level. As long as you keep the, you know, the bottom of the sump open, they'll equalize that way too. So it just depends. But you know, I've done places that have like 4 of these. Maybe you have to, you know, kind of play around, you know, emptying 1 or 2 at a time while keeping the system up online, doing maintenance, cleaning out all the silt, just rebuilding stuff, cleaning the spray nozzles, all that stuff. Anyway, just thought I'd make a quick little video of that place since I hadn't so far. So that's pretty cool. It's over at the Cardinals Stadium. Alright, well, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you guys later.